Shalom everyone, here is Orly Bernander Day, another verse. Daily sip of Biblical Hebrew, Esther, chapter 2, verse 20. אין אסתר מגדת מולדתה ואת עמה, כאשר ציווה עליה מרדכי. ואת מאמר מרדכי אסתר עושה, כאשר הייתה ואומנה איתו. יופי. So start with the from the beginning. אין אסתר מגדת מולדתה ואת עמה. Esther had not made known her kindred or her people. So not for the negative in the English, you can see the Hebrew N. Okay, N. N comes before nouns and before participle forms. Participle forms can be nouns, verbs, or adjectives. Okay, so there is no surprise that N comes before, even before such verbs, such forms of verbs. So N Esther, Magedet, okay, Magedet, made known, or just saying, okay, to make known, to tell, okay. The root is Nagad, Hif'il. Hif'il, you can see the mem for the participle of Hif'il, and this one is very rare form, but the meaning is made known, okay. So in the English you can see the had made known in past, but in Hebrew Magedet, okay, in present aspect. And Esther Magelet Moladeta, so Moladeta, the word is Moledet, offspring or kindred, and the possessive suffix for her kindred. Ve'et ama, and the direct object marker et ama, okay, for the word am, people, and the possessive suffix for 3fs, her people. כאשר ציווה עליה מרדכי, as Mordechai had commanded her. So start with the verb ציווה, okay. It's very nice to start to passing sentences with the verb, and it gives you the basic of the sentence. So ציווה is PL stem, tzadik, vav, and hey or yud. This is the root, and this one is perfect form. 3ms, ציווה, commanded, okay, ציווה, and the subject Mordechai, so Mordechai ציווה, עליה, al, plus the pronoun for 3fs, okay, and some prepositions as al, the meaning is against, off, on, okay, in the English her, and some freestanding prepositions takes the pronouns with the yod at the beginning, okay, such as plural possessive suffix. So aleha, on her, literally in English her, and with the beginning כאשר, as, okay, ka is as, and asher, which, as which Mordechai had commanded her, okay, כאשר ציווה עליה מרדכי. ואת מאמר מרדכי אסתר עושה, for Esther obeyed Mordechai, okay, and now the verb comes at the end. So עושה, the root is עשה, okay, participle form, to do, to make, okay, to do. So Esther עושה, okay, Esther make or does, את מאמר מרדכי. So at the direct object marker, okay, just comes before the direct object, okay, it marks for us the direct object. מאמר, okay, מאמר is saying, word, commandment, okay, from the root אמר, to say, okay, this one is a noun. מאמר מרדכי, so we have constructs chain. The word of Mordechai, the word of Mordechai. ואת מאמר מרדכי, and the word of Mordechai, Esther does, or Esther is doing. כאשר הייתה באומנה איתו. As when she was brought up by him. So כאשר, as which, as that, or as which, okay? הייתה, from the root היה, perfect form of call stem, the 3FS, הייתה. Okay, because we're talking about Esther, so you can see the tab over here. הייתה, okay, was, as which she was, באומנה איתו. So what is באומנה? ב is in. אומנה is custody. Okay, custody. We're talking about the time that Esther was Mordechai's child. באומנה איתו, with him. So the preposition it, at, okay, meaning with. Do not confuse between at as preposition with and at the direct object marker. Sorry. And the pronominal suffix for him, okay? Brought up by him, באומנה איתו, or in the custody of him, with him. Okay, so let's read it all over again. And Esther מגד את מולדתה ואת עמה. Esther had not made known her kindred or her people, כאשר ציווה עליה מרדכי. As Mordechai had commanded her, ואת מרדכי, ואת מאמר מרדכי, and the word of Mordechai, or אסתר עושה, for אסתר obeyed מרדכי, כאשר הייתה ואומנה איתו. As when she was brought up by him. That's all for today. Bye bye. Have a great day.